Hi guys, we talk about Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Honor Magic 6 Pro. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max launched on September 2023 with the price tag of $1,199. Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,099. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max dimensions: height 6.3
Body.
inches, width 3.02 inches, thickness 8.3 mm. Honor Magic 6 Pro dimensions: height 6.4 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The iPhone 15 Pro Max weight have 220 gram and the Honor Magic 6 Pro have 225 gram. The build: iPhone 15 Pro Max front and back glass and titanium frame. Honor Magic 6 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM, nano SIM card
Display.
port. The display type: iPhone 15 Pro Max come with LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED 16M color screen type. Honor Magic 6 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The iPhone 15 Pro Max screen size 6.7 inches and the Honor Magic 6 Pro screen size 6.8 inches. The resolution of these devices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 1.5K screen resolution. The PPI dynasty: iPhone 15 Pro Max 460 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 453. The screen refresh rate is same 120Hz in both devices. The screen to body ratio: iPhone 15 Pro Max 89.8% and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 91.6%. The iPhone 15 Pro Max
Camera.
has ceramic shield glass protection and the Honor Magic 6 Pro Jorhino glass protection. The screen brightness: the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 5000 nits peak of brightness and the iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 2000 nits peak of brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 48 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel periscope telephoto, and a ToF 3D LiDAR sensor. And it records 4K 60 FPS video. The Honor Magic 6 Pro also comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 180 megapixel periscope telephoto, and a ToF 3D depth sensor. And it records 4K 60 FPS video. The selfie camera of these devices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 12 megapixel with SL3D biometrics, and Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 50 megapixel selfie camera with ToF 3D biometrics, and it's record 4K 30 FPS video with front camera. The platform: the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with hexa-core CPU and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4. The iPhone 15 Pro Max come with Apple A17 Pro 3nm chipset and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max come with Apple GPU 6 core and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Adreno 750 GPU. iPhone 15 Pro Max come with iOS 17 operating system and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with
Platform.
Android 14 Magic OS 8 operating system. Let's go to the memory setup. The iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 8GB RAM and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. The Honor Magic 6 Pro same 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. The battery of these mobiles: iPhone 15 Pro Max
Memory.
come with 4441 mAh battery. The Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 5600 mAh battery. The iPhone 15 Pro Max 23 watt fast charging and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 80 watt fast charging. The wireless charging: iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 15 watt wireless charging and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 66 watt wireless charging. The both mobile come with 5G network
Battery.
support. The commons and feature is same, but Honor Magic 6 Pro have Face ID and fingerprint and iPhone only have Face ID security system. The result of these devices: the Honor Magic 6 Pro got 25 points and the iPhone 15 Pro Max got 20 points.
Comms and features.